Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide a post on Bluesky. Stick around till the end to learn the steps to manage your content and keep your feed organized. So let's get started. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone and log in if you're not already signed in. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this will take you to your profile where all your posts are listed. Now, scroll through your feed to find the post that you want to hide. Once you have located the post, look for three vertical dots in the bottom of the post. Click on those three dots to open a menu of options for the post. Now, from the options menu, look for Hide Post option and then click on it. Again, click on Hide to confirm your choice. Now, this will hide the post from your profile and feed. Now, go back to your profile and you will see that the post is no longer visible. And that's it. Hiding a post in Blue Sky is a simple way to keep your feed clean. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.